Alexandria controls. Now it gains his own. Saved by Griffin off of the stick of Ryback. That good quick shot that hits the net again.
Yeah, they really like setting him up on the left side for the one-timer.
In the slot, high slot. Over the stick of Ryback. Puck comes out. Minnesota makes one change. On comes Wendorf. Frischman with it across the blue. Frischman dipsy-diddles in. Backhand. I couldn't see if that was wide or if Griffin made the save, but Minnesota controlled and got it all the way down. On comes Scar. Muchelnas. 38 seconds left in the man advantage. 4-2 Aces. Alex headmans the puck. Now to Arias. Arias in the corner, behind the net. Arias working around the perimeter. Across the Ryback. Blocked shot by Wendorf. Pulled their goalie. 6 on 4.
6 on 4 with 10 seconds.
Through traffic, loose puck.
Good save, Griffin.
3 seconds left in the man advantage. 2:50 left in the period. 1:50 in the period. On comes Cedar. 6 on 5. Over to Ryback. Shot through traffic. Save. Griffin.